Pakistan is set to become the epicenter of surgical excellence. We are very proud to bring this monumental plastic surgery event in which the top and the best plastic surgeons from around the world are converging in Pakistan.
From intricate art of deepen facelift, the delicate balance of breast reduction.
From the finesse of primary rhinoplasty to the craftsmanship of high-definition liposuction.
Witness live surgeries and demonstration from some of the top foreign faculty.
The dual wonders of an augmentation mastopexy, the transformative powers of a revision rhinoplasty, and the revolutionary Tulu abdominoplasty, and many, many, many more.
So enlighten yourself with advances in facial rejuvenation with live surgeries like facelift, mid-facelift, and the blepharoplasties.
Elevate your knowledge on endoscopic brow lifts and take a deep dive in realms of primary and secondary breast augmentation.
Quick flashes of before and after images, snippets of surgeries and graphics showcasing all the international faculty.
Join us in Lahore from 6th to 8th October for once in a lifetime experience. Spaces are limited. Secure your seat at the forefront of surgical innovation today. See you there.